Here's Tommy. Hello, everyone. Hope you're doing great. Welcome to the Kickstarter unboxing series. As you've seen, I've got a lot of Kickstarter products. I'm just rolling them out. So, next product, we got the Toola glass FootFile. What? Yes! It's a FootFile made of glass. It's made so it helps remove the dead skin, thick calluses, and it has a rough part and a smooth part. So, fairly easy. Let's open it up. Okay, I can definitely feel it. Okay, let's try it on my hand. See if I can feel anything. Should be done wet, obviously, but yeah, I can definitely feel it. Feels like a file, but it's non-abrasive, so it's better. Planning to use this, obviously. I'll let you know if it's any good. But here it is. I'm gonna leave a link down below if you want to get this product. It looks a great deal of quality made. I truly recommend it. It does feel like it's actually doing it. It works on the calluses. I can't even see the part of the callus, and the skin does feel smooth. I am definitely gonna use this a lot more. So here you go, the Toola glass FootFile. So I'm gonna leave a link down below if you want to get this product. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up. If you haven't yet, consider subscribing to my channel. And also hit the notification bell to get notified of my next video. See you on the next one. Take care.